Alright. Super Sportster. We'll just take off with the wind. Huh? That's not a problem though. All this this fabulous Chinese steel on these gear struts.
I'm going to keep this one or not. I'll rake the gears forward and bring it back out here.
Yeah.
And just see how it does. I need to get that problem solved. Yeah, they've already got it jacked up. You know what I'm talking about?
Yep.
Braced up on the back side of the gear.
Right. Sorry about the bouncing. Try to get down here on the end so we can go east-west. Super Sportster on a Gens Ace 2203S battery. I haven't flown this plane very much. It handles fantastic. A real good flyer. I'm surprised it don't come out with me more often. For a 3S battery, it actually flies pretty quick with that low wing profile. Not a lot of drag. High speed going up. Up, 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 up. Still going right there. She runs out. Go to mid rates on the ailerons. Get a roll under our belt. That was aileron only, no elevator or nothing. To keep her altitude up. Get a little bit more altitude on it. We'll try inverted. I don't remember how she handles inverted. Skeeter went right on my nose. Alright, rolling over. There's our wheels up pass. Over back. Feels like the wind's picking up slightly. Straight over us. 1 minute. Yeah, I've been pushing her a little hard, so I'll make one last pass and we'll set up for a landing. This has those piano wire landing gears, so if you don't have it completely bled dry on the airspeed, she'll bounce like a kangaroo on you. Alright, here we go, coming in. Yeah, she don't want to turn. Alright. Super Sportster from Great Plains. Good flyer. Could use a little better landing gear though. Thanks for watching.